Total of 3 species of monkeys are found in Sri Lanka. Langas represented by 2 species namely tufted grey langa and purple-faced leaf monkey and 1 macaque species namely toque macaque. Purple-faced leaf monkey and toque macaque is endemic to the island while grey langa can be found in India too. Grey langas are confined to the dry zone of Sri Lanka while purple-faced leaf monkey is confined most to the wet zone jungles. However, 1 species of purple-faced leaf monkey can also be found in the dry zone. Toque macaques show island-wide distribution almost all the climatic regions of the island. Monkeys are living in family groups comprising 6 to 10 individuals. However, larger group up to about 25 individuals are not uncommon especially in toque monkeys and grey langas. Group is consist of related mature females, subadults, juveniles and infants of both sexes, with dominant unrelated male. The dominant male usually act as a leader of the group constantly watching the group move.